Hey guys, and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit and create meta fields on product page in Shopify. So for that you need to head over to your settings section. So head over to your settings over here, and once you are onto your settings you need to scroll down onto the left side of your screen where you can see meta fields and meta objects. So let's just jump right onto that. Here we have meta field definitions. So first of all we can choose our product. So I currently do not have any, so if you have some variants you can easily add variants. For that you can add name, like for example we have maybe red car. Just for example, you can select the type. Either you want it to a single value or one value or a list of values. Then you have storefront API access. Similarly, if you go back, let me just discard this. You have many other, like for example customers, orders, locations, pages, and much more. So all of these settings are going to be serving to edit and create meta fields on product page. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.